there is a number systems really and the imaginary numbers. So mm, imaginary number is nothing but the P plus JQ. It means real terms and imaginary terms are existed. That is a number systems. And imaginary number is a JQ is a imaginary number and real number is the P. Okay. So numbers are the nothing but the so real numbers and imaginary numbers. And real numbers also classified into two types: rational numbers and irrational numbers. What is the meaning of rational numbers? Rational numbers are the nothing but the uh, it is a it is consisting of fraction also and integers, but also irrational numbers. There is no fraction. Okay, so there is no fraction. Like what is that? Root two, root five, root seven, like that. So and pi is also irrational number. And a fraction in integers. Integer is nothing but the negative values or positive values. Fraction is nothing but the so 1/2, 3/4, like that. Okay, so comes to the middle picture, real numbers and rational numbers and irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are the nothing but the so root 2, root 3, root 5, like that pi. And rational numbers are the nothing but the so this rational numbers also classified into integers and fractions. So it means integers means negative numbers or positive numbers. Okay, so and rational numbers are integers also classified negative integers and whole numbers. Negative integers means so -1 to up to infinity. Okay, and whole numbers are the so from 0 to up to infinity. So 0 to infinity. Except 0, so whole numbers are called as a natural numbers. So natural numbers are also classified into odd numbers and even numbers. So and odd numbers also except 2. Okay, odd numbers also what is it? Classified so two types, prime numbers and composite numbers, and one is also okay. Prime numbers is also it will not divided by the so any number, it will be consisting of factors itself and one. Okay. So all prime numbers are odd numbers except two. Two is a even number, but it is a prime number. Okay. And here are the different types of numbers. Natural numbers from 1 to infinity, whole numbers from 0 to infinity, and integers minus infinity to plus infinity. And rational numbers are in P by Q form, and Q does not equal to 0. And real numbers, so real numbers are the nothing but the so there is no imaginary term. Okay, that is nothing but the real numbers. And complex number, real plus imaginary. Okay, that is nothing but the complex numbers. So complex number is nothing but the P plus JQ. So P plus JQ. P is a real number and JQ is a imaginary number. Imaginary is a nothing but the root over -1 is a I. Okay, that is a imaginary number. So whatever is the difficult or doubtful, so topics, those topics only I would like to explain. So in this channel, okay. So comes to the next, sum of the cube of first n even natural numbers. Even natural numbers. So 1 cube plus 2 cube, 1 cube, sorry, 2 cube plus 4 cube plus 6 cube, like that, up to 2n cube. So equal to, so what is that? 2 into n plus 1 whole square. And the sum of the cube of first n odd natural numbers. So 1 cube plus 3 cube plus up to, so 2n minus 1 whole cube. So n square, 2n square minus 1. Sum of the square of first n even natural numbers. So 2 square plus 4 square plus 6 square up to 2n square. So 2n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 3. and sum of the square of first n odd natural numbers, 1 square plus 2 square plus 5 square, so up to 2n minus whole square, n into 4n square minus 1 by 3. Sum of the squares of first n odd natural numbers, odd, um, 1 square, 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square up to 2n minus 1 whole square, n into 4n square minus 1 by 3. Okay, sum of the first n even natural numbers, so 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus up to 2n, n into n plus 1. Sum of the first n odd natural numbers, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus divided as, so 2n minus 1 equal to n square. See here, actually we know that the, so natural numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus up to, so n, so we know that, so n into n plus 1 by 2, and the square of the numbers also, so what is it, square of the numbers also 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, so like that, so like that up to n square, it is also we know that, so n into n plus 1, so 2n plus 1 by 6, and 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to, so n cube, we know that, so what is it, n into n plus 1 whole square. Okay, this is a, we know that. So remaining terms uh, I explained here. So, and